Thank you, organizers, for inviting me to speak on this prestigious platform, to speak on this interesting topic, how the artificial intelligence helpful for the medical device regulation. Previous speaker, Mr. Ramakrishna ji, already told about the global medical device regulation. I am giving a brief introduction of Indian medical device regulation. Indian medical device regulation has been published on dated 31st January 2017. After that, it has been implemented on 1st January 2018 under the Drugs and Cosmetics Act to regulate the clinical investigation, manufacture, distribution, sales, and of the medical devices in India. And Government of India used the power under the Section 33 and Section 12 of the Drugs and Cosmetics Act 1940 to make the said rule. This is the definition. Already Ramakrishna ji has told about the global definition of medical devices, and this is the definition under the medical device rule with effect from 1st day of April 2020 as per the notification 648 dated 11th February 2020. On the same day, separate notification was there for the registration requirement of the medical devices, and from class A to class B, class C and class D medical devices were under voluntary registration till 30th September 2021, and after that, with effect from 1st October 2023, all the classes of medical devices are under the licensing process. Before that, 37 categories of medical devices were regulated, and these devices. Based on different notifications, the devices are considered as drugs. Now all the devices are considered as drugs. CDSCO, based on the risk associated and intended use for the medical devices, has classified is under sub-rule 3 of rules 4 of medical devices rule. The total 26 category of medical devices are classified, and the list of classification of medical devices are already published in the online portal of the CDSCO online portal. These are the criteria of the classification of medical devices. Medical devices are classified based on the risk associated with the devices. These are the different categories and the number of devices classified, total 26 categories. These are the parameters of classification of non-invasive devices. I am not going in details, I am just giving you the idea how the classifications are there, what are the parameters, and based on these devices are classified as per class A, class B, class D and class. These are the special invasive devices, classification parameters, all are in the medical device rule. These are miscellaneous classification devices. Medical devices, software as medical devices are there. The 60 medical devices has been classified based on the intended use and the purpose intended to treat, diagnosis, cure, mitigate and prevent the disease. These are the software based classification. Some softwares are providing information, they are classified based parameters are there. These are the software that process data to provide the information for diagnosis of disease. These are the software that process data to provide information for treatment or intervention in diseases or conditions. And these are the classification of the softwares which are directly intervening into the patient treatment. Central Licensing Authority is the responsible for grant of manufacturing license of class C and class D medical devices and import of all classes of medical devices. State Licensing Authority of India responsible for the grant of class A and class B medical devices and sales of all classes of medical devices. Clinical trial permission is the responsibility Central Licensing Authority. The requirement of fees for the grant of class A and class B medical devices is 5,000 rupees, and for class C and class D the fees requirement is 50,000 rupees. These are the online portal is functional for receiving the applications for grant of manufacturing license, import license, retention of license, loan license, test license, post approval license. All the things are now online. Applicant can apply all the license through online mode. These are the standards. Instead of medical device standards, Bureau of Indian Standard is the standard forming body. If the standard is not there, then ISO and IC and other pharmaceutical standard can be used. If there is no standard, then manufacturer's own validated standard are also used. criteria for grant of license of Class A and Class B medical devices in India. These are the Class C and Class D, grant of Class C and Class D medical devices in India. These are the different forms related with the manufacturing license, grant of manufacturing license of all classes of medical devices. These are the process of grant of manufacturing license of all classes of medical devices. And these are the process of import of medical devices, all classes of medical devices. Now the role of digital innovation in India's healthcare transformation. Medical device rules itself represent a step towards digitization by mandating the submission of various applications, including those in manufacturing license and import license through online portal. Already you have seen how the online portal is used for the application purpose. This digital approach streamlines process, enhances transparency, and facilitates efficient data management and record keeping purpose. For that purpose, MD portal and national single window systems are there. One of the notable initiatives in this domain is the medical device regulation tech, that is MDRTA platform. MDRTA leverages the power of advanced generative and predictive artificial intelligence to automate medical device regulation, consultation, and support. This artificial intelligence powered assistant platform aims to democratize support and consultation around the medical device rule, making it accessible to a broader range of stakeholders. Whatever information I have given there, now Mr. Vivek Mittal will explain what is the utility of this MDRTA. Any question you ask about this medical device regulation, that AI co-pilot will give you the address. Thank you for your patient hearing.
Thank you very much, sir. Good morning to all of you. So I'll take this discussion forward from here, explaining more deeply into the platform Medata MDR Tech Assistant. So before going deep into the platform, I would like to tell why we actually thought of developing this platform, what was the requirement of the platform, and what was the challenge statement. So Indian medical device industry is developing very fast, and right now India imports 80% of medical devices, and Government of India is set to turn the tables around, and they have a massive project of starting exporting medical devices from India, which is a very ambitious target, and all the government agencies and regulatory bodies are working hard towards that. For example, CDSCO is updating information at a very high speed. So a lot of information in terms of medical device rules, amendments, notifications is coming very fast in the industry for the stakeholders, and it is becoming very difficult for the stakeholders to keep abreast with this information. So there is a lot of information around, but that information is not getting converted into knowledge. And industry, innovators, consultants, and even the regulatory bodies, they face challenges in accessing the right information at the right point of time, the pinpointed information, right? And we feel that an automation with the power of AI is very much needed in this domain to solve this problem. And that is where Medata, Medical Device Rules Tech Assistant, comes into picture. So this is an AI-powered platform which is trained on Medical Device Rules 2017 and all the notifications for classifying different devices. And it is artificially intelligent platform, and it is a SaaS platform. Anybody can register on the platform and start using this AI Copilot to get answers to their queries. Sure. So this is Medata in one slide. It has risk-based classification, MDR FAQs, and other features. And before I go deeper into it, I would like to play a video, please, to be able to register on the platform and start experiencing it yourself. You can scan this QR code also to register on the platform and start. This is the platform we have created. It has AI Copilot, and you guys can scan the QR code, register on it, and start using it free and try asking questions about classification of a device. Just give the intended use of the device to the platform, and it will analyze the previous notified devices and rules in MDR and give you a probable class of your device. Similarly, it will tell you about other questions related to compliances and related to regulatory affairs of MDR 2017. So this is the platform, how it looks like on web. It is both web and mobile compatible. So the future plans in the platform are to introduce human assisted consultation as well, and we will actually integrate it with National Pharmaceutical Pricing Authority to get the fixation of price information. We will also collect material vigilance related data from hospitals via integrations, and we will also integrate it with some portals, online portals of CDSCO, to upload periodic safety update report. So this is the parent company who has developed it. We are working with various hospital chains across India. We have filed 4 patents also. This is the team who has developed this platform. I am myself Vivek Mittal, founder of the company. I have passed out from BITS Pilani with AI and machine learning specialization. Ashish is my other co-founder. Abhijit sir, who is guiding us, he is mentoring us with the regulatory point of view to develop the platform. Thank you very much.